everyone, I want to quickly show you what you can get for $99 this March with Perfectly Posh. So the first 4,000 people to sign up as a Perfectly Posh consultant this March are going to get all of this for just $99. When you sign up, there is no additional fees, no fee for your website, no monthly requirements, no requirement to do anything with all of this. You can simply use it for yourself, share it with your friends and family, and find more Perfectly Posh products that you will absolutely love. For $99, you're gonna get everything you see here, including the pink suitcase and all of these products, which are valued at over $250. In addition, you're gonna get the black bags and the samples that you can use and share with your friends and family so they can find some Perfectly Posh products that they will love too. For more information on the kit, go to poshbykatie.com and click join.